So my best tip is to do a lot of grading in class. So have the kids do their grading for you, and then go back and just add to it or change a little bit. And I do that by having a rubric that they fill out, self-grading themselves, and then I go back and just update a little bit if I think something's slightly different. But usually they grade it themselves harder than I grade them. So that's one of my best tips. And then the other tip that I do a lot is really to concentrate on project-based learning, so that every week or 2 weeks or however long the unit is, the students are just learning the topics and then doing one project at the end that you grade. It really cuts down on grading with these tips and makes life so much easier for us busy educators.